All right, it is that time to take your questions. All the traders, your investment committee is ready. Here we go. Jim in New York has a question for Jim in New Jersey. He asked if he should buy, sell, or hold Qualcomm. Yeah, I think this is a gift. I know I'm going to make people mad. I think you're supposed to sell it here. The stock was up 6% in the aftermarket last night. Now it's only up 1%. The legal issue with the FTC is going to take years and years to resolve. Okay, Brenda, Jane in Maryland says that AT&T pays a great dividend. So what is your take on AT&T's future?
We still think the future is bright. With the Time Warner Media, great content, going to be releasing a new video product later this year. Sounds like they're on track to pay down debt and increase free cash flow as they had planned. So we still like it.
All right, Mike in Indiana would like to know the trade on IBM, Steve, ahead of earnings.
Who knows? I just think long term they're in secular. I mean, they could pull out a quarter where they show some revenue growth. I just think there are better ones to own. I'm not a fan of the management at all. I'm not a fan of the Red Hat acquisition at all. It's $34 billion that's wasted. The culture is so deep and so toxic to growth. I just wouldn't own this. Okay, Stephen, good stuff there. All right, next, a question for John. All right. What are your thoughts on Square? This coming from John in Miami.
Love Square. As I said, when it fell down to about 65 bucks after the last earnings report, which was ludicrous, I bought it down there. I have now traded out of the stock, but I still own the calls, and I'm going to start writing more calls against it.
Finally, a viewer in Sacramento, California wants to know if Micron is a sell. You just bought it, so clearly you disagree.
Clearly I disagree, but I did sell calls up above. What they did in the last week, they bought over 7 different times. They bought unusual activity in there. Stock went from 39 to 44. I think on the pullback yesterday, it was an opportunity. I bought the stock. I did sell some August calls up above.